welcome to the one and only original Country Bear Musical Jamboree, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled old grizzlies singing a little country.
Show's almost ready to begin, so just choose a row and sit your bare bottom down. No, choose a row and slide all the way across. Just make sure you stop when you reach the end, or you might be watching from the floor.
Better than watching from the wall.
No, heck, I kinda like it up here. Hey fellas, the show's about to start. I can't wait to see it again.
And for the rest of the day, the songs will be stuck in my head.
Where else will they get stuck? We don't have bodies. Looks like the gang's just about ready. So now's the time we remind you there's no eating,
Drinking
or smoking allowed in the theater. And you can take all the photos and video you like. Just please, no flash photography or video lighting. We've already got Rufus on spotlight. Do we?
Rufus, wake up! Oh.
Over here.
Sorry.
Okay, everybody, now we're ready to start. Give us a little intro there, Gomer. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original Country Bear Musical Jamboree, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled old grizzlies singing a little country, a little western, and a whole lot of everything in between. So get those paws tapping and those claws clapping for five bears who need no introduction, but I'll give them one anyway. Let's hear it for the Five Bear Rocks! Hit it, boys! It's a Country Bear Musical Jamboree. These slappin' toes have a new believe.
Coming early, playing late, no time to even hibernate.
After all our years together, I can still barely wait for a Country Bear Musical Jamboree. Settle in, bring all your friends. We'll do it in one again. We got some fancy prancing and some bear square dancing.
Most fun I had since I crawled out of the den.
It's our Country Bear Musical Jamboree. And now, sweeter than a hive full of honey, it's our very own Trixie and the talented trio, Bunny, Bubbles, and Beulah. Or is it Beulah, Bunny, and Bubbles? Well, any way you count it, they're triple the fun. Okay, boys, now why don't we try something a little different? How about a love song, man? Romeo. There's plenty of fish in the sea.
Fish? You're making me hungry. Not me. I'm stuffed.
Okay, now, our next performer used to play with the Mineral Kings, but he's here now. A purry firestorm of fiddling Floridian fury. Take it away, Ernest.
He's on fire today.
Where'd he come from?
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
I can open your eyes, take you under about wonder, over, sideways, and under. Honey, magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Y'all swing by and see me sometime.
I would, but I'm scared of heights.
And I'm scared of swings.
You know, it might surprise you to learn that our next performer is still an eligible bachelor.
Is it the clumpy way he walks?
Or the grumpy way he talks.
Or the pear-shaped, square-shaped weirdness of his feet.
And though we know he washes well,
He always ends up sort of smelly.
But you'll never meet a fella who's as sensitive as me. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper, that's what it's all about. Reaching stuff and round the south. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper when push comes to shove. The only fixer-upper gets a little fixer-upper is true.
Remember me.
Oh, I had to say goodbye. Remember me. Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad. I can't go home.
Poor guy.
Poor curtains.
Well, folks, I'd say that's a rendition we'll remember for a long time. Now, how about we do one of my favorites? You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. I say, you've got brown rose. I got two. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through the cause. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me.
Oh, say, Henry, why
style show. As you can see, we're still barely keeping it together. Now gather up all your bare necessities and exit out the doors on your right. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back, yeah?